Hello everyone, in this lecture we are gonna explain the difference between a dialect and an accent, but before I start this lecture, if you are new to my channel then please like the video and subscribe the channel. Let's first learn accent. It can be defined as, an accent refers to distinctive pronunciation patterns that characterize speech of individuals or groups. It can reveal various social and geographical aspects. What does it mean? Simply, it means that an accent is nothing but it refers to a distinctive pronunciation patterns of a person. Basically, you might have observed that people who are the native speaker of the same language but they have different speaking style, like the way they pronounce the words, the way they give stress to certain sounds and syllables, the way they use intonation, etc. So, this is simply called accent in linguistics. You should not be confused because when you talk about accent, so you should not talk about vocabulary or something else because accent only refers to the way of pronouncing the words. Actually, accent is only limited to pronunciation. Traditionally, accents developed among members of language users who lived in isolation from other communities. Basically, people within a community typically sound similar because they hear one another constantly and they also observe language changes and adopt to each other's speech characteristics. So that is why they have same style of speaking. So, this same style of speaking is known as accent. As you have understood accent, let's learn a dialect. It can be defined as: a dialect is a particular form of a language that is specific to a region or social group. It encompasses variations in pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary. What does it mean? Simply, it means that a dialect is also a form of a language and it is specific to a certain group of people or to a specific region. Actually, as an accent we have just talked about pronunciation, but in a dialect the people who speak different dialects of the same language have differences in pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar. It means that a dialect is a broad term because it also includes an accent and also grammar and vocabulary. Simply, it means that those who speak a different dialect of the same language will have different vocabulary, pronunciation, and to some extent different syntax. There must be a question in your mind that why the members of same language develop different pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar. There are many reasons and some of them are: geographical isolation. This is one of the main reasons that people get variation on the same language and start developing a different dialect. Basically, populations separated by physical barriers like mountains or oceans develop distinct dialects over time because of limited interaction. This is so simple and easy that those who live isolation from the same native speakers will develop a new variety in their language, like they will have variation in their speaking style, they will use to some extent different vocabulary, etc. Specifically, it happens due to limited interaction. The next reason is role of historical events. This is another reason which causes changes in a language. Basically, events such as migration, colonization, wars, and trade shape dialects by mixing languages or isolating communities. Simply, sometimes due to war, colonization, or trade of people of the same language are isolated or exposed to other languages, so they develop a dialect of the same language with the passage of time. So, this is also one of the reasons. Influence of social structures. By this point, it means that differences in class, occupation, and social networks affect language use, leading to distinct social dialects. Simply, you can take as an example the received pronunciation associated with the British upper class differs from regional working class dialects. Basically, you must have observed that higher social classes often have better access to education, which typically emphasizes the standard language variety. This can lead to their speech patterns aligning more closely with the standard form. Simply, Social structure can be the cause of a dialect because those who are rich have easy access to education and other facilities, so that's why with the passage of time their language becomes to some extent different than the lower class. So, social structure can also be the reason of a dialect. So, the conclusion of this lecture is, a dialect includes variations in vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation within a language. For example, speakers of different dialects use distinct words, sentence structures, and idiomatic expressions, while an accent refers to variations only in pronunciation within a language. It means that speakers of different accents pronounce the same words differently but generally use the same grammar and vocabulary. Actually, dialects encompass broader linguistic differences, while accents specifically pertain to pronunciation. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture, but please don't forget like and subscription to my channel. Thank you.